Okay, guys, here we are in episode 3 of the Gibson Explorer guitar build video. Obviously, as you can see here, I am tracing the templates that I made the last time, and I'm going to be using those to cut out all the pieces, obviously. So as we get going in the video here, I just wanted to say thanks for all the views, and on the previous 2 videos, I've received some positive feedback, face to face with people. Any other feedback and anything that you may want to tell me, don't be afraid to leave a comment down there in the bottom, and we'll go from there.
Bailey, you want to go outside?
You're not Bailey, but okay.
Bailey.
Oh, God. Okay, so yeah, this board weighed about, I'd say, a good 60 pounds before I started cutting it into smaller pieces. I'd say the total overall weight of the guitar by the end of the build is going to be somewhere around, I'd say 8 pounds if I don't do any weight reduction. So weight reduction is definitely on the roster. I kept having trouble with my bandsaw here. The blade, apparently it's not a scrolling blade. Obviously, it's just the blade that came with it, so I never bought one to be like a scrolling blade, but it served its purpose. It worked for what I needed it to do. But I would suggest definitely getting a scrolling blade for sure. That way you don't have the issues that I had, blades trying to slip off the wheel and all kinds of things like that. So I was having to, try to constantly tighten the blade up, and just different things like that. So going in the future, the next guitar build, whatever you guys suggest that I build next, the next one is I'm gonna have a scrolling blade on there, so it's gonna be easier to see there. I'm always having to fiddle with it and tighten it back up. So just something I learned. Also, I don't know if you've noticed or not, but I took the shop vac hose and hooked it to the dust port on the bandsaw itself, so it kept from having as much cleanup as I had the last time, where I had to stop in the middle of the video and clean up. And also, it kind of kept the dust from flying around everywhere. I mean, you can still see some sawdust. Obviously, there's going to be some. It's not going to be a perfect solution, and it's just how it goes. The temperature in Northeast Tennessee is all over the place. You've got 4 degrees, 400 degrees, 45 degrees, and it all is in the same day, usually, within the same hour. So there's times that you can go from being in a short sleeve t-shirt like I am here to 10 minutes later, the wind kicks up, it starts raining, you got to get a hoodie and throw it on. Just something to consider if you want to move here. The weather is crazy, and your allergies will never forgive you.
True professional, ladies and gentlemen. True professional. Forgot my square.
That was about my 7th or 8th trip in the kitchen door today. No, I have no idea. It was in and out all day long, back and forth.
Alright, loud again. One down. What I'm making here is the base of the neck has an angle it sits on. So this block I'm going to have to glue to the bottom of the neck, since the neck is only 1 inch wide, 1 inch wide rather. And I'm going to cut one of these blocks to the base of the neck and then cut out the side profile template to give it its relief angle, if you're wondering what I'm doing. And this time I'm actually going to mark it, because, you know, why not? It'd be a lot better than guessing at it. Time for some new Sharpies. There's my 2 blocks to go on the bottom of my 2 necks. You heard that right? 2 necks. Okay. So as you can see, the neck is 1 inch thick. You can hear Unspeakable Gaming in the background. So that is where I'm going to glue this on to be able to cut that in.
So now, as I slam stuff around, I got to cut out 3 more of these.
What? What? Oh, dual GoProing. Oh, look at that. Fresh, new marker. This is not a sponsored video, by the way.
Sometimes I wonder what's wrong with me. But obviously here, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to trace out 3 more body blanks because they will eventually be planed down to 3/4 of an inch, and in that 3/4 of an inch they will be glued together, and that'll bring the total body thickness to 1.5 inches. I'm toying around with the idea of doing a walnut inlay. I don't know. Quite possibly going to do a walnut inlay in the middle of one of them.
Daddy.
Hmm.
Mama said one of my earrings fell out.
One of your earrings fell out. That stinks.
Look at that.
We have to cut your ear off now. Here.
Oh?
I got this clamp to cut her ear off with.
No, you don't. Mommy, I am glad you do.
Man, I need one more body out of this. Oh, where am I going to put it?
Hang in over where that
Mm.
wrap.
Oh, there we go.
I just wanted to give you that. I don't want.
Okay, so there it is. 3 more bodies to cut out. I'll save y'all the trouble. You guys already seen it once, so I'll come back when I get them cut out.
Now, in the biggest stroke of irony ever, I've filmed all day and it's been raining all day. Now that I'm done filming for the day and got everything I need for this episode, check it out. Irony. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Be sure you click like and subscribe. Follow, comment below if anything you saw I did wrong, anything I could do better next time, and we'll catch you on the next one.